Okay, so today I'm wearing my dinosaur onesie because we have a new guest. We have a new tune welcoming us. Hold on. This picture came in the mail. It's a bit low quality and wrinkled, but guess who it is? It's Dino-Snore Shelly. She's come to visit us. And here it is, big reveal. Da, 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 da. Say hi, Shelly. Hi. Let me hold you. This is a custom Dino-Snore Shelly I got from iDooodle. Look, it has the swirl, it has the shell. It has the little dinosaur onesie. Kick the feeties, kick the feeties. I can't reach the feet. It has the hood. It has the tail. It has little booties. Little booties. With boots. Kick the feet, kick the feet, kick the feet, kick the feet. And it has her funny face. I ordered this custom because the bootleg Shelly plush was too wonky. This one's bigger and she's heavier and her head's squishy. Watch this, watch this. Squish, 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 squish. Shelly, how do you feel? I feel great. Alrighty. Wanna meet Shrimpo? Of course. Alrighty, let's introduce the Shrimpo. Shrimpo, this is Shelly. Say hi. No! I hate Shelly! And I hate dinosaurs! Shrimpo, don't be stinky. This is your roommate tune. Come on, hug. No! I do not want to be involved in hugs. I hate hugs. Come on. The huggies! Stop it! Shrimpo! Now it's time for V to meet Shelly. Look at them together. It's so cute. Look. V looks like a baby compared to Shelly. Shelly's so big. Such a baby. Look, they're hugging. Look, she's sitting on her lap. Shelly? Yes, V? I don't think it can survive in Garden View alone. I don't remember how the rest goes. Please don't make me sing that song. Don't worry, V. I won't let you sing that song. You just did, though. Yeah, but I forgot the lyrics. Shelly? Shelly, do you feel okay? Yeah, I feel okay. You're so big, Shelly. I can carry you. I can hold you like a baby. If you can try to undress Shelly, but I don't think Shelly would like that. No, I won't. Not without permission. Yes, Shelly, you know about consent. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to like, comment, hit that bell. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. And thanks for watching. I love you all. And Shelly loves you too. Bye. Say bye, Shelly.